Hello, this is me. Yeah, there used to be a foundation right here one time. Old home site. Now there's trees over there. X right there. Oh, nice. Leaners. Oh, there's an arch right there. Start the trail off with an arch. How many arches will we see? That's a good question. If you can tell me how many arches we see, I will give you a gift. Because I didn't bring it with me. We are on trail. Not going to say where we are. I've been here before. Lots of interaction. I already contacted Reholer. He said he will show up. Hang out with us. No little arch right here. Definite arch. Hung up right there. It's a portal. Portal arch. I'm with my lovely wife. Excuse me, clear my throat. If I clear my throat, cough, sniffle, sneeze, belch, fart, all that good stuff, I'll let you know. Everything else will be them. It's an upside down one right there. Oh, I thought it was saying, yeah, it is. There's the roots right there. Kind of cool. I do not edit my videos. Waste of time. Takes too long to post them after you edit it. Arch right there. X. Lots of X's here. I was here earlier in the year. Had a lot of interaction with them. They were walking behind me, or using their sniffling, or walking next to me, or using their infrasound. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. And it's taking the lead. There's a blow down over there. Or knock down. There's stuff going on over there. I'm with my patient wife who's taking the lead. There's a broken tree, lots of roots on the trail. It could be from old age. It's broken right there. Who knows? I don't. Stone wall. Today is October 2nd, my mother's birthday. 2021. Well, it's not her birthday today. It's her birthday today, October 21st, or October 2nd. But not October 2nd, 2021. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Blah, 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 blah. The branch hanging by a thread. Big rocks. It's like a little area built in right here. It's kind of neat. Clearing my throat, as usual. Oh, there's a big arch. Right there. I think that was here last time I was here too. Clear my throat. In. That's what I do. I clear my throat. Oh, on the phone already. We're going that way.
Okay, bye.
We're going that way. What's he up to?
I don't know. He's one of my mother's to cook his food, I guess.
Well, good luck with that. She'll be doing the cooking. You'll be sitting there watching TV.
Yeah.
All right, we're going that way.
This way?
Yep, that way. To the right. Oh, to the left. We'll be coming back. We'll be probably coming back that way. This is what we're working on. Lots of rocks. There's an X right there. We are here. Yes. Yes, they are. They are here. More ways than one. Gotta watch where I'm walking. Now there's another big X down here that I saw last time I was here. It's pretty interesting. And a little X right there. Against a rock. This is a highly trafficked trail. Lots of people come out here every day of the week, including weekends, like this weekend. Birds. So that's where it just came from. All those roots. Tricky roots. Tricky trail. Oh, mushrooms. Oh, I have the mushroom app, by the way.
About time.
Yeah, because you won't put it on your app, your phone.
I don't do apps.
I noticed. Let's see if I can get it up.
I had nicer sun than you.
Since I'm not using it to tell me where we are, because I know where we are. I have to follow the trail, because I know where the trail is. Oh, mushroom identifier. Okay, here, use this one. So, take a photo. Hit photo.
And then here I can only hold one phone.
You need more than one hand?
Usually.
Okay. So hit photo and take a photo of that. You have to get closer to it, obviously.
From picture?
Yeah, picture. No, from right there. Hey, hit that. Right there. No. You gotta go back.
I don't know. I haven't seen this before.
Okay, hit that one right there. Oh, I guess that's not it. That's the one I took from home. All right, try.
Scanning?
Try scanning? I don't know, maybe that's not the right one. Identify mushroom. All right. Oh, weird. From picture. I guess I took a picture from it yesterday. Start. Okay. Take a picture. Okay, here you go. We'll just set up a new picture. Okay, so get closer to it. Yep, right there. Okay, let's see what it says. Okay. Okay, so you would like to take another picture? No. Do you want to add more information? No. So this is what it's doing. It's looking at the photo we just took.
I'm going to say it's a mushroom.
It's a bunch of different things possible. It's not that one. You have all kinds of choices. I don't see it on here.
Well, it could be this one.
Could be.
It just doesn't have the...
Fly Argic. Latest version of Abdot. Alright, there's going to be all kinds of junk on here now. Alright, well, we got the picture. We'll have to figure it out when we get home. Alright, moving on. What do you want for a free app? Maybe I'll have to read the instructions. How to operate app.
It should be voice activated.
Should be. Oh, another small arch right there. It's one of the small ones. It's like 3 feet off the ground. Oh, it's a little one. If anybody knows where we are, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you think you know where we are. There's an X right there. On the ground. This is not a trail where people come out and do things off trail. They just come out here and walk on the trails. They don't even look on the side of the trails, probably. Listening for birds. Maybe mushrooms. They are not like us, seeing what's on the side of the trail. They're lost. Maybe they're bird watchers. Sniffling. Old broken tree right there. Right there. You don't see it. No, you can't really see it. Forget about it. It's behind a bunch of greenery. I have to really watch what I'm walking here. This is what we're walking on. That's what I just stepped over. That trail going all the way up there. Tricky trail. That's what I call it. More stuff on the ground right here. What you were looking. Not the falling that hurts, it's the impact. The big mushroom right there. Some interweaving going on here. They just fall there like that. This one is under that one, goes all the way over there, under this one. Yep, some interweaving going on here. Looks nice. Photo. Capture. More roots. Potential arch right here. Potentially safe, because I'm not sure. Very possible. More good stuff to work on. We just came from all the way over there. Upside down. I got knocked over. Dead. A broken tree. At the base. Old. Ooh. Go this way. And here's the pond. A big rock. There's a big rock. A little big rock. Lots of lily pads. beef house out there. Let's see what's over here. That's interesting. Wrapped around a tree right there. Probably somebody's hangout spot. Oops. I'll try it again. Double try. I guess the closer you try to take a video or picture, the longer it takes to take a picture. Oh, quiet again. No birds. All the birds have left. Does that mean Sasquatch has joined us? Maybe. Some people think that when there's no birds around, there's a Sasquatch around, which is very possible. Sniffling. Oh boy. Going up this stuff. Oh, this is nice. Hang on. Conglomeration. Right on the edge of the trail. Okay. Moving forward. Pick up the camera from my hand a little bit more. Some height. Scarecrow tree. Trippers. There she is, laying down there patiently. So if you hear any noises, scratching sounds, sniffing sounds, it's my Sasquatch ones. But you'll notice there's no branches, overhanging trees where I'm walking. And here, none that are touching the camera. Yet the sounds that they create makes it sounds like the camera's in contact with branches, overhanging leaves and stuff. It's pretty wild. They use infrasound and create that sound. Burping to myself quietly. Excuse me, burping again.
Is this the end of the pond?
No, that's just the beginning. That's one section of it.
Okay.
Yeah. One section. It's two sections. Here's those people.
Yeah.
Catch any walleye yet? It's a beautiful tree way over there. See if there's anybody watching me on the other side. Anybody see anybody? Bird box. Another bird box. Oh, that bird box is falling over. All right. Are you ready, my dear? Ready for the next section? I'll let you go forward. Right through the two trees. Sniffling. Wow, these are big.
Yep, big one.
Big one and a mama. Mama and a baby. Or a daddy and a baby. Old stone walls.
Is this the trail we were on like
Yep.
a long time ago?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we went from the other side all the way to the parking lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the one. How's the fishing? Where's her pole? Does she have a license? Does she have a license? Yeah. Oh, well, that's good. That's a bonus right there. Well, have a great time. People we saw in the parking lot. 2 people. 1 fishing pole. So I was razzing them about it. Where's her pole? And he just handed the pole to her. Nice little couple, young couple. Oh, you're walking by a whole bunch of mushrooms. You don't want to photograph them? Well, some of these are nice. What's wrong with these? I got a double one right here. That's a double header. Some more right there, some more right there. A whole bunch right here. What's the point? Get it? It's a point. What's the point? I made a funny joke. Looks like a bobber down there. Somebody lost their bobber. Somebody lost their bobber right there. It's a big bobber too. Yeah. Lunchtime. I think that was one of those town hall things, you know, for lunch. Yeah. I know the town, but I can't mention it on camera. Yep, we'll be walking on that bridge over there sometime soon. Now, when I walked in, we walked this whole trail last time I was here. As soon as I went over that bridge, all the sound stopped. It's kind of cool. I said, oh no, we don't walk on bridges. We're not walking on that bridge. Little seat right here. Point. Is that an X? Or just logs falling on top of each other? Pick it up the rear. Here I come. More mushrooms. More mushrooms. Dead stuff. Weird that would be there. There is. Oh. Deer prints, probably. And then get a drink of water before heading back in the forest for protection from the humans. It is hunting season. Hunting season has begun again. Dogs. Dogs and their owners. Sniffling. Burping. What? Yeah, because the Sasquatch is standing right here. Hello, Mr. Sasquatch or Mrs. Sasquatch. Must be a Mr. Sasquatch. How are you? Are you waiting for us to pass before you follow us? I don't see you. I don't see any weird looks. Are you standing right over here? Waiting for us to walk by? Maybe not. Maybe it's just something else. It's like somebody farted. It's like somebody farted. It reminds me of. I'm digging out something over there. Let's see if there's anybody behind me. Where are you? Trail to the left. This is all built up by beavers over here.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah. Blocked all that off.
That's a huge block.
Yeah. Let me go over here for a second. Oh, cute. Look at these over here. You missed these, double A. Whole family of them. It's all built up over here. Working on that tree. They're working on this tree over here. I missed it. Yeah, they're chewing on this tree. It's about maybe 2 feet wide. They're going around it. Yep, there's a break. There's a big break for you. Still alive. There's a big tree falling across here. You gotta cross to the other side. Whole bunch on the other side. Lots of mushrooms. Little walkway. And go to the other side, knock a tree down. I don't see any footprints. What? They're stealthy like that. You knock down, they're all pushed down. So I've been pushed down here, so somebody's been going across there. Give me my stick back. Silly branch. Just a trickle run through. Found my rope. Let's see what's up here. Anything interesting to look at over there? Don't see anything. That's what that smell is. Decaying everything. Everything's decaying. No footprints. Traction.
What do you think the pile's dirt?
That's a good question. Looks like somebody's been doing some clearing out.
But how did they get it here?
Good question. This is probably what's smelling. Here.
Don't dig up too much here.
Maybe somebody's starting a compost pile. That's what it reminds me of. A couple of compost piles. Looks like it's been dug out of here. I don't see any human foot tracks. I don't know why they would dig that out. I don't know why anybody would want to dig that out of there. Unless somebody started on a compost pile. Need some compost. Good compost. Oh. All right. This wasn't here last time. I've been chewing on that one. Oh, excuse me, I burp. More runoff from our beavers building up the dam. All right. But that's pretty. Start another video.